Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to General Management. And here select date and time and turn off automatic date and time so that you can set date and time manually. Click on set date and here change date. I would like to change date to 12. Click on done. 12 March 2024 and click on set time. Here you can change time. Okay, click on done. If you would like to use 24-hour format, keep it in 24-hour format by turning on this button. If you would like to use 12-hour format, turn off this button so that 12-hour format will be followed. See here, I have now enabled the 24-hour format and see the changes in the home page. See here, 24-hour format timing is displayed. If you would like to get 12-hour format, just turn off this button so that timing will be in 12-hour format, that is 3:27 p.m. Okay. If you would like to update date and time automatically, you should turn on this button, automatic date and time, so that date and time will be updated automatically. See here. So in this way you can easily change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.